When seawater reverse osmosis, or SWRO, was first introduced, the membranes required very high pressure, pumps were inefficient, and control systems consisted of throttle valves that wasted energy. However, by far the greatest loss was the pressure energy leaving the process in the concentrate reject from the membranes. ERI's PX pressure exchanger recovers nearly all of the energy from the membrane reject stream and feeds it back to the SWRO process. Using just the energy in the reject concentrate, the PX pressurizes new seawater for the membranes, reducing the high-pressure pump flow requirements. This not only saves energy, it reduces the size and cost of the high-pressure pump. The reject concentrate from the SWRO membranes flows to the PX, where pressure energy is transferred directly to incoming seawater at up to 98% efficiency. Pressurized seawater from the PX, circulated with a small booster pump, joins the stream from the high-pressure pump. The energy consumed by the high-pressure pump, which is by far the largest operating expense of an SWRO plant, is reduced by about 60% by the PX. The PX is simple yet elegantly designed. The housing contains a ceramic rotor, the only moving part in the device. Surrounding the rotor are a sleeve and two end covers. These ceramic components fit snugly around the rotor, forming a tight seal that prevents pressure from escaping. Low-pressure seawater enters the PX and fills the rotor. This seawater is then exposed to high-pressure concentrate from the membranes. Pressure transfers directly from the concentrate to the seawater inside the rotor ducts. Spent concentrate leaves the rotor at low pressure, pushed out by fresh seawater. The rotor is turned by the flow itself, spinning at approximately 1,200 rotations per minute. The ducts of the rotor function like a carousel, charging and discharging as the pressure transfer process repeats itself. Water in the narrow gap around the rotor, which serves as a lubricant, is continuously replaced and refreshed. Mixing between the concentrate and seawater is minimal because the exposure time is so short. Overall, the PX Advanced Energy Recovery technology is the most efficient, easy-to-use, reliable solution to affordable desalination today.